crazy thing about this is I got this car running Tuesday night at 11 o'clock. Busted my tail Wednesday, loaded it up Thursday, and we're here on Friday. And that's how much we enjoy this event. Hey guys, I'm Wes McPeak. I'm from Henderson, Tennessee. We're at Ford Fest, NMRA at Bowling Green. We have a racing family here that we don't get to see each other but three or four times a year, and we meet at the NMRA races and meet at Bowling Green, and we love this event. This is a 37 Ford Roadster that I purchased from one of my very good friends, Mr. Mike Burnell. Honored to get this car because I've watched him build it. It is powered by a 444 cubic inch small block Ford. It's got the Brodex Track 1 heads, C4 Power Glide, awesome bracket car. I know a lot of guys up here do the heads up stuff, but there's a lot of us around here that bracket race every weekend, and we're Ford guys, and we love to come to this event and see friends of ours from all over the country. Had an open comp car last couple of years, really enjoy that, but when I had the opportunity to purchase this car, I could not turn it down, and made my first passes in it today, actually. 550, 560 car. A lot of fun to drive, had a lot of responsive people that's just different, and I'm one of those. I kind of like different stuff, and a lot of people walking up and taking pictures. It's a neat, cool car. 8th mile times today, I'm foot braking the car, not leaving on a trans brake. It's running in the 570 range, and that's where I'm comfortable with it being the first time I've actually buckled in the car. So just can drive it with one hand. It's super comfortable car, even as tall of a guy as I am. It's a really comfortable car, but I think when we get the car back on the trans brake, and it's going to be a low 550, low high 540 car. It's going to be it's a good ride. My goal is to get the thing up, double check it, and I'm going to hit the racetrack next year and race as much as I can.